Hi everyone, here we are already in module number 7. So module number 7 really encapsulates most everything that we've done so far. So I want you to kind of reach back to what you've learned, and you are going to incorporate that within your synthesis assignment. And your synthesis assignment will be due July the 19th. There's no discussion board for this module because I want you to really focus on your synthesis assignment and really bring in all of those concepts together that we've learned so far to demonstrate your competencies in this particular assignment, your competencies in epidemiology and what's important in studies and causal relationships and developing your own web of causation. So this is really a cool time that everything comes together. So if you have any questions or concerns about the assignment, please let me know, but just know that there is a video on the assignment itself. So please review that before you complete your assignment. And there's some additional information here that may help you as far as some of the chronic diseases and some general information from the World Health Organization as well. And as we know, we need to think bigger as far as health because there are impacts to our everyday lives that actually originate in other countries and across the world. So the World Health Organization is important to become very familiar with and look at some of those trends that may be occurring in other areas in anticipation and preparation for the possibilities, very honestly. So I hope you have really enjoy putting everything together in your synthesis assignment because we've come a long way and we've covered quite a bit of material, but this is where it's time for you to really shine and showcase what you have learned. So I look forward to reading your assignments. Take care now.